Very good morning, dear students. So today, before we start the actual class, let us first take a pledge during this pandemic era of the corona COVID-19. So first we take the pledge to prevent the COVID-19 and to obey the some preventive measures. So students, today we will take this pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk of myself and my colleagues and students from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Students, today we start with exercise 14.3 of chapter 14 and we start from question number 8. So here is the statement of question number 8 from exercise 14.3. In this case, we have ABCD is the floor of a box with AB is equal to 12 cm, BC is equal to 16 cm. We have to check whether a pencil of length 21 cm fit into the box if kept diagonally on the floor along AC. So here is the figure. This is the box and ABCD is the floor. ABCD is a rectangle. So floor of box is rectangle and we draw it separately as this A, B, C, D. Here AC is the diagonal. So if we consider triangle ABC, it is right angle because each angle of rectangle is right angle. So angle B is 90 degree. So in triangle ABC we use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, means AB square and BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute their values. AB is 12, BC is 16. So 12 square plus 16 square. 12 square. So 12 square means 12 into 12 is 144. 16 square means 16 into 16 is 256. 144 plus 256 comes out to be 400. So it means AC square is equal to 400. Now we take square root on both sides to get AC. So under root AC square is equal to under root 400. So AC is equal to 20 centimeter. So but the length of pencil is 21 centimeter. So it means the pencil of length 21 centimeter cannot fit along diagonal AC because the length of diagonal is 20. So we can say pencil of length 21 centimeter cannot fit into the box if kept diagonally on floor along AC. Now we consider question number 9. The 9th question is a wooden ramp is placed against a wall. The top of the ramp is 7.5 meter above the bottom of the wall and the bottom of the ramp is 10 meter away from the bottom of the wall. What is the length of the wooden ramp? So here is the figure. O is the point where the bottom of the ramp is placed. B is the bottom of wall and A is the top of ramp. So according to question, AB is 7.5, BO is 10. Again this is right triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABO. So by using Pythagoras theorem we get AO square is equal to AB square plus BO square. AO square, AO is hypotenuse and it is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Substitute their values, simplify, we get AO is equal to 12.5 centimeters. So it means the length of wooden ramp is 12.5 meter. In the second part, what we do, we just change the position of the ramp. Initially it is along AO, then we shift it along AT on the second wall. The statement says this ramp is then turned around and placed against another wall opposite to first wall. In this position, the top of the ramp is 10 meter above the wall, bottom of the wall, and we need to find the distance of the bottom of ramp from the bottom of wall. Again, this is a case of Pythagoras theorem, right triangle. It is 90 degrees, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle OCD. It says OD square is equal to OC square plus CD square. Now substitute the values. CD is 10 and OD is 12.5, and simplify. We get OC is equal to 7.5. This OC comes out to be 7.5 centimeter. So it means in second position, the distance of bottom of ramp from the bottom of wall in second position is equal to 7.5 meter. Statement is two poles of heights 15 meter and 7.5 meter stands upright on the ground. The distance between them being 18 meter. Find the length of a wire stretched from the top of one pole to the top of other pole. So here we assume AB and CD are two poles. AB is of length 7.5 meter and CD's height is 15 meter, and distance between them is 18 meter. If we draw AE perpendicular on CD, then DE is also 7.5 meter and CE is CD minus DE. So it is 15 minus 7.5. So it means CE is also 7.5 meter. Now this AC is the wire which is stretched from top A of pole AB to the top of other pole CD. Top is C. So we need to find this length. Now we consider this triangle AEC. Here angle is 90 degree. So we apply Pythagoras theorem on triangle ACE. It says hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides, that is AE and CE. So it means AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. Substitute their values. So 18 square plus 7.5 square. So simplify. 18 square, 18 into 18, 324. 7.5 into 7.5 is 56.25. This you can calculate and then add. It is 380.25. Then take square root on both sides. So AC comes out to be 19.5. So therefore length of wire stretched from top of two poles is of length 19.5 meter. Now we consider question number 12. It says a tree 32 meter high broke at a point 7 meter above the ground, did not separate, and its top touched the ground. At what distance is the top of tree from the bottom? So here is the case. Initially AC is tree and its height is 32 meter. Let it break from a point B where B is at a height of 7 meter, and then the top, it doesn't break, and the top shift from this position to the ground. The A is the top initially and now it touches the ground again at A point. So AB is the part of the tree, BC, that is the straight part, AB from point B to break. So the broken part touches the ground in this way. So this is the right triangle again because both the parts are straight. We need to calculate this distance. So here BC is equal to 7 and AC is equal to 32. So it means AB in this position or in this position, they are same. So AB is equal to AC minus BC, that is 32 minus 7, that is 25 meter. So again in triangle ABC angle C is 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. It says AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Substitute their values. BC is 7, AB is 25. Simplify. 7 square is 49, 25 square is 625. Shift 49 to right hand side. So AC square is equal to 625 minus 49 and it is 576. Take square root on both sides. So AC is equal to square root of 576, that is 24 meter. So therefore top of tree is at a distance of 24 meter from its bottom. Means this distance is 24 meter.